Sometimes being proactive is not a good idea, but you don't know that until you actually do it. So we found out what happened on this deal. To get you caught up, if you missed the first part, we were dealing with the seller, which is not really the owner of record. The owner of record was her deceased ex-husband. So the property was handed down to her kids, and she was working on behalf of her kids. Adult kids, just trying to figure out life stage adult kids. We were trying to get payoffs, and when we contacted those lenders, the lenders are like, we don't have this loan number in our system. So we had no idea who actually had these loans. She didn't know, nothing. And then she said something to us that she didn't understand what she was saying. She thought she was doing a good thing. And it is actually a good thing, but this case, it didn't work out very well. She contacted the lender at the beginning of last month to say this is what happened. She submitted all the supporting documents saying that her ex-husband passed away, title transferred to her kids. And that triggered the lenders to put the loans into pre-foreclosure status. So when we called the lenders, those were not active loan numbers in the systems. It triggered due upon sale clauses because number one, that borrower that signed the loan is no longer a borrower. And number two, the property was transferred to other parties. I don't know why they never explained this stuff to her. That's a different conversation, but this is what it looked like. Because we got the payoffs and there are legal fees on there. We know the mortgage was being paid. So the attorney fees were because they were going through pre-foreclosure process. So she would have done nothing and we would have ordered the payoff. These lenders don't require signed affidavits for payoffs. So we would have just ordered them and then they would have sent the payoffs. And we would have closed 2.5 weeks ago.